Hi boys and girls, I'm here ready to do your first math lesson with you. Before we get started, I just want to review a few expectations with you. The first expectation is that you find a nice workplace to work. It could be your kitchen table, it could be a desk if you have one, or it could be even your bedroom floor. Just find a place that works for you, a place that's distraction-free and clutter-free. And number two, make sure that your electronic device is fully charged. So if you have a laptop or an iPad, make sure that the battery is good on it, so that way you're not cutting out in the middle. And number three, that you have your materials ready. So for today, since we're doing math, you'll need your red math book, and you will need a sharpened pencil and an eraser. Okay, so those are the materials that you'll need. So we are on lesson 48. That's where we left off a couple of weeks ago, or actually it's probably been about a month since I've worked with you last. So what we're going to do is we are going to split the lesson into half. So we're going to we're going to do the first half of lesson 48 today, and then we'll do the second half of lesson 48 tomorrow. Okay? All right, so make sure you have your materials ready. For right now, you do not need to have your book open. Right now, we're going to start off with some counting exercises. So I just want you paying attention, following along, and participating. I have one of my daughters here with me. Julia, you can wave and say hi. And Julia and my other daughter, Lily, they're going to be my students as well as you for today. So they're going to chime in when it's the student's turn to respond. So when it's your turn to respond, they're going to chime in and be my students as well. Okay, so we're going to start off with some counting. So when you count to 9, this is my part. So right now you're just listening.
Okay.
When you count to 19, the next number is 20. When you count to 29, the next number is 30. When you count to 39, the next number is 40. When you count to 49, the next number is 50. So everybody, when you count to 19, what number comes next? It goes
20.
19, 20. Okay, when you count to 29, what number comes next?
30.
Julia, wait for my signal, okay?
Please.
I know you're quick right now, but we need some think time. So let's try that again. When you count to 29, what number is next?
30.
30. When you count to 39, what number is next?
50.
It goes 39,
50.
40.
40.
Again,
40.
39, 40. When you count to 49, what number comes next?
50.
Yes, 50. Good job. Everybody start with 49 and count to 59. Get 49 going. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Shh. Okay, not quite so loud. Okay, next we're going to start with 44 and we're going to count to 54. Get 44 going. 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Next, we're going to start with 39 and count to 51. Get 39 going. 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. Listen, what number comes after 19? 19, 20. Good. Listen, what number comes after 29? 29, 30. Listen, what number comes after 39? It goes 39, 40. What number comes after 49? 49, 50. Let's try that again. 39, 40, 49, 50. Good job. Good job with your counting to my students as well as my own children. Next, I'm going to show you my screen and we're going to practice with some number recognition. So some of these numbers here are T numbers and some are not. Remember, a T number is a two-part number with a 1 in the front, okay? So let's look at my first number here. Is this a T number? Yes. What T number is it?
17.
Yes, 17. Is this a T number? No. What is it? 4. Is this a T number?
No.
Yes. Which T number?
12.
12. Is this a T number?
Yes.
Which T number?
10.
Is this a T number?
No.
What is it?
8.
Yes, 8. Is this a T number?
Yeah.
Which T number?
14.
Good. Is this a T number?
No.
What is it?
6.
6. Is this a T number?
No.
Yes.
It doesn't say teen.
Shh, it's okay if it doesn't say teen. We're considering a T number a two-part number with a 1 in the front. So for this exercise, we are considering this a T number. And so which T number is it? It's 11. Good. Okay. For the next activity, I'm going to tell you some word problems and you're going to tell me the symbols you would write to represent the word problems.
Okay.
Listen to my first story. Listen. Sydney bought 9 bananas. Then he bought 12 more bananas. Listen again. Sydney bought 9 bananas. Then he bought 12 more bananas. What is the first number we would write for this problem?
9.
Yes, 9. And then, since he bought more bananas, the symbol that would come next is plus. Plus means more. Okay? So it would be 9 plus. And what is the next number?
12.
12. So our story problem would say 9 plus 12 equals. Okay? Listen to the next story. Hillary read 15 books. Shh. Hillary read 15 books. Then she read 19 more books. Listen again. Hillary read 15 books. Then she read 19 more books. Julia, please be quiet. Okay. So what is the first number we would say?
15.
The first number is 15. Okay. So 15 is our first number, and then she read more books. So that would be what symbol?
9.
Plus. So we would have 15 plus, and what is the second number?
19.
19. So all the symbols would be 15 plus 19 equals. Good job. Listen to the next problem. There were 7 cats in the backyard. There were 3 more cats in the front yard. Listen again. There were 7 cats in the backyard. There were 3 more cats in the front yard. What is the first symbol you would write? What is the first number? 7. And then since there were more cats in the other yard, the symbol would be plus. And how many cats were there in the other yard? 3. So your symbols would be 7 plus 3 equals. Good. Listen to the last problem. Renee had 7 blue dresses. She also had 4 pink dresses. Listen again. Renee had 7 blue dresses. Then she had 4 pink dresses. Let's say, tell me the symbols that you would write. What is the first number? 7. And then since she also had more dresses, the symbol would be plus. And then how many more dresses? 4. So the whole problem would be 7 plus 4 equals. Good. For the next activity, I'll say numbers, you'll say them, and then you'll tell me the next number, okay? So listen, the first number is 1. What number?
1.
What's the next number?
2.
Good. New number, 3. What number?
3.
What's the next number?
4.
4. Listen, 6. What number?
6.
What's the next number?
7.
Yes. Next number. 10. What number?
10.
What's the next number?
11.
Good. New number? 13. What number?
13.
What's the next number?
14.
Good. New number. Let's slow it down a little. People need think time. The new number is 17. What number?
17.
And the next number is?
I forgot.
What comes after 17 is?
Oh, 18.
18. Good. And your last number is 30. What number?
30.
And the next number would be?
40.
Nope. 30.
31.
And the next number is 31.
I
Good.
thought you meant counting by 10.
Okay, listen. Now you're going to tell me numbers you get when you plus 1. Listen. 6. What number?
6.
6 plus 1 is?
7.
So remember, guys, the way that you do this is when you plus 1, you say the next number. So if it's 6 plus 1, the number that comes after 6 is 7. Okay? Let's try that again. The number is 6. What number?
6.
Plus 1 equals?
7.
7. Listen, 10. What number?
10.
Plus 1 equals?
11.
Good. 3. What number?
3.
Plus 1 equals?
4.
Good. 17. What number?
17.
Plus 1 equals?
18.
Good. 1. What number?
1.
Plus 1 equals?
2.
2. Next is 30.
30.
What number?
30.
Plus 1 equals?
31.
Good. Please put it down. And the last number is 13. What number?
13.
Plus 1 equals?
14.
14. Good. The last exercise that we're going to do today is teen numbers. So remember, a teen number has 2 parts. The first part of a teen number is 1. Okay? So you'll tell me the parts that you would write for each teen number. Listen. The first number is 16. Okay? What's the first part of 16?
1.
What's the other part of 16?
6.
Good. Listen, 10. What number?
10.
What's the first part of 10?
1.
What's the other part of 10?
0.
Good. Listen, 13. What number?
13.
What's the first part of 13?
1.
What's the other part of 13?
0. I mean,
So
3.
13 is 1, 3. Let's try that again. What's the first part of 13? 1.
1.
What's the other part of 13? 3. Listen, 19. What number?
19.
What's the first part of 19?
1.
What's the other part of 19?
9.
9. Listen, 15. What number?
15.
What's the first part of 15?
1.
What's the other part of 15?
5.
And the last number is 12. What number?
12.
What's the first part of 12?
1.
What's the other part of 12?
2.
2. Okay. Good job doing math with me today, students. I really enjoyed working with you.
Yay!
Thank you to my daughters who also participated. And I will see you again next time. Bye, students.